what's going on? It's Zae the Realtor. I'm a little sick today, but it's okay. I caught COVID last week, but I can still help you find the perfect home. I can still help you find the perfect apartment. No matter what you're looking for. It can be a townhome. It can be a condo. It's Zae the Realtor. It don't matter what it is. I'm a little sick, but I can help you. Contact me. Make sure you fill out that application relocation form. That way I understand exactly what you want, exactly what you need. No matter if it's an apartment, if it's a condo, a townhome, or maybe your dream home. Zae the Realtor can get you exactly what you're looking for.